Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up the Blink Mini Compact Indoor Smart Security Camera, from downloading the Blink app to connecting it to your Wi-Fi, and customizing your settings for the best home monitoring experience. So, if you're ready to see how this little device can give you some big peace of mind, stick around, let's get started. Firstly, we unbox the Blink Mini Compact Indoor Smart Security Camera. Inside the Blink Mini Compact Indoor Smart Security Camera box, you'll find the Blink Mini camera itself, along with a USB power cable and a power adapter for plugging it into an outlet. The package also includes a mounting stand for easy placement, plus screws if you choose to mount the camera on a wall. Additionally, a quick start guide is provided to help you with the setup process. First of all, let's discuss some key features of the Blink Mini Compact Indoor Smart Security Camera. The Blink Mini Compact Indoor Smart Security Camera offers a range of features designed for simple, effective home monitoring. It provides 1080p HD video resolution, delivering clear live streams and recorded footage directly to your smartphone through the Blink Home Monitor app. The camera also features infrared night vision, allowing clear video in low-light conditions or complete darkness. Additionally, the Blink Mini supports two-way audio, enabling you to hear and speak through the camera using the app, making it useful for communicating with people or pets at home. It integrates with Alexa, allowing for voice control and streaming live video to Echo Show devices. Its compact size and straightforward setup make it ideal for discreet indoor monitoring, providing peace of mind with minimal hassle. So let's start the setup process. I hope this video is helpful for you. First of all, go to the App Store, search for Blink Home Monitor, and download it. Open Google Play, search for Blink Home Monitor, and install the app. Once downloaded, open the app. Now tap Create Account and follow the prompts to set up a Blink account using your email address. Existing users, log in using your email and password. Once logged in, tap the icon on the top right corner of the app's home screen. Once logged in, tap the icon on the top right corner of the app's home screen. Now unbox the Blink Mini and plug it into a power outlet using the included USB cable and power adapter. Wait for the camera's LED to turn blue and blinking green, indicating that it's ready to be set up. The screen will prompt you to scan the QR code found on the back of the Blink Mini camera or on the included Quick Start Guide. Hold your phone over the QR code to scan it. Once scanned, the app will guide you to the next step. The app will prompt you to connect your Blink Mini to Wi-Fi. Select your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Blink cameras only support 2.4 GHz, not 5 GHz. Enter your Wi-Fi password to connect the camera. After a successful connection, the camera's LED will turn solid blue and solid green. After connecting to Wi-Fi, you will be prompted to name your camera, e.g., living room or kitchen. Once the camera is named, the setup process is complete, and your Blink Mini will appear on the app's home screen. Place the Blink Mini in the desired location, ensuring it covers the area you want to monitor. In the app, you can customize motion detection settings, enable notifications, and view live feeds from the camera. You can also adjust camera sensitivity, activity zones, and enable audio. Your Blink Mini is now ready to monitor your indoor spaces, and you can access live feeds, view recordings, and control the camera from the Blink Home Monitor app. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.